Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to apply to college. Step 2 topic prepare application materials. So let's dive right in. Step 2 application forms. Complete the Common App or individual college applications. The Common App is a widely used online application platform that simplifies the college application process for students applying to multiple colleges and universities. Instead of filling out separate applications for each school, students can complete a single application and submit it to any participating institutions. The Common Black College Application CBCA is a streamlined college admissions platform designed to help students apply to multiple historically Black colleges and universities HBCUs with a single application. It aims to increase access to higher education for students interested in attending HBCUs by simplifying the application process and making it more affordable. Some colleges require an essay, which is a crucial part of the admissions process as it provides insight into who you are beyond your grades, test scores, and extracurricular activities. Help your child brainstorm and refine their personal statements or essays. Letters of recommendation. Request letters from teachers, counselors, or other mentors well in advance.
Test scores. Ensure that SAT or ACT scores are sent to colleges. Not all colleges require test scores. If your child isn't a good test taker, consider applying to a test optional college.